Talk Data with Jennifer. We shall by REA Cyber City. He leads AI because women engineering shaping the future. And I will be showcasing you the whole day what activities I have done, with whom I have networked, and what AI masterclass I have done. And I have lined up so many interviews for you to learn. This is the agenda which we will be following through. As you can see, finding sessions. As you can see, there is agentic AI in the enterprise. What it means for us, why to learn machines, because it's AI and tech event, so it's all about machines, data, and even there is a workshop as well as the masterclass show you what I have learned along this networking event as well as tech event, so that it will help you also and it will encourage you to attend such events. And now I'll show you what activity I have done, because it's a very interesting activity which will enhance or which will help you to analyze your skills as well as to connect your skills with another skill. So let's go there. So this is the activity which I played coming to the event. As you can see here, I have put my name and my skill as well. As you can see, Kratika, networking and learning AI, because this is a event for AI and data. And then after this, I have connected all the skills which I feel, as you can see, collaboration, courage, empathy, compassion, and as well as listening, because listening is very much important. So as it's a very interesting activity as well for me. And next we'll take you what else we are doing this in this area. But it was something that unlocked seemingly the potential of what is possible. Even everything else comes later.
But just know, be humble and make sure that you are into that constant learning loop. And I'm not saying that do not have fear. Please be. Everybody has fear. It's a natural, human emotion.
So, what is the benefit of coming to these events? Like, they have posted their openings here, and as you can see, lead engineer, senior engineer, and lead engineer full stack, and even senior lead engineer. So if you are someone who is has experience, slide through their LinkedIn and check it out, their openings. I'm wrapping up the session. As you can see that this session was in merit, and I have showcased what I did in that event from starting to end. And as I always say that your network is your net worth, so I've met a LinkedIn connection today, and learning, keep growing, and subscribe her channel. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.